We wanted to create something that lasts more than a lifetime. Something that could be passed from generation to generation. Our unique magnetic propulsion technology, coupled with the space-grade titanium we use, creates a symphony of design. Titanium is 14 times more expensive than aluminium and is used for some of the most exotic and prestigious projects in the world due to its high strength to weight ratio. This material played a key role in the successful landing of the Falcon Heavy rocket ship as it re-entered the Earth's atmosphere. MAGNO TI, where the magic begins.
Hey Kickstarter! 5 years ago, we came to Kickstarter with an idea for a company based on the Japanese style of fly fishing called Tenkara. Tenkara is a simplified form of fly fishing. It uses just a rod, line, tippet, and fly. The rods are fully collapsible, starting around 20 inches and fully extending to 10 to 13 feet in length. As we continue to develop new ideas and products, we wanted to bring our latest rod to the crowdfunding community. This is the Teton Zoom. The Teton Zoom is our first adjustable length Tenkara rod. This means that it can be fished at either 10.5 feet or 12-foot lengths. It weighs only 3.5 ounces. We've been developing and testing this rod for over 2 years now. It works well for smaller water and has a really fun action, but can also handle larger fish on big rivers and lakes. I think our whole vision has been to get people to kind of get out and experience the outdoors through a form of fly fishing. And I think in doing that, more people getting outdoors is great because it helps people understand and appreciate nature and kind of take stewardship over the land. The more people who are out enjoying it, it will, I think, turn them on to help protect it. We really love the crowdfunding community and are so excited to bring the Teton Zoom to life here first. Our goal is to inspire more people to get out and fish anywhere.
This is the ShiftCam 2, a compact multi-lens phone case that helps you take that perfect shot without all the heavy gear. It is the most lightweight and convenient way to capture your memories, just the way you want to remember them. Just shift, point, and shoot. The ShiftCam 2 allows you to slide and snap between 6 camera-enhancing lenses in one portable iPhone case. Wide angle to help you photograph the world just as you see it. Telephoto. Who knows? You may find yourself seeing much, much more. Fisheye. See everything from a different perspective. Macro. You're never too old to make new discoveries. Compatible with any stabilizer, you can wave goodbye to all limitations. We've even added an extra function, a wide-angle lens for your front-facing camera. So now you can see even more of you and your friends. Of course, this got us thinking, what else could we do with a phone case that can easily adapt? Now introducing ShiftCam's Pro Range, our hero set of interchangeable professional-grade lenses. Building on top of our patented and award-winning slide and snap mechanism with over 15 years of optical design experience. These are, hands down, the highest quality professional lenses for mobile phones to date. At ShiftCam, we're all about pushing the boundaries when it comes to shooting with your phone. They say the best part of memories is making them. We say the key to creating them is right there in your pocket. Be a part of the ShiftCam fam and help us take ShiftCam 2.0 to the next level.
After our first two Kickstarter campaigns, the Buffalo Leather Satchel and the Classic Weekender Duffel, we received hundreds of emails with feedback on our current products and new ideas for future products. With a combined total of nearly 1,500 backers over these past two Kickstarter campaigns, we had some amazing feedback on how we could improve our leather bags and make them better fit the needs of our backers and customers. The Sitka Leather Messenger Bag is the combined result of these suggestions and feedback, and we designed this bag with you in mind. Just like our Buffalo Leather Satchel, this bag is made of thick, top-grain buffalo leather. It is designed to not only give you the classic look and feel of our leather satchel, but to give you all of the space and functionality you need to make it the ultimate everyday carry bag. The idea for this bag came after we had multiple backers and customers mention they wanted bigger pockets for their cords, chargers, and paperwork that they were taking to the office. We also had many backers from our previous campaigns mention that they would like to see a strap on the back of the bag that would slide over their luggage, making it easier to take on business trips or to the airport. Others asked for a bag that had easier access to their phones or other small items without having to open the bag up to access them. After considering each of the many suggestions we received, we came up with the Sitka Leather Messenger. This bag will hold not only your laptop and other necessities, but will simplify your workday and help keep you organized. The thing that I like most about this bag, and this is one of the main things we decided we wanted to do with this bag from the suggestions we received, was to move the padded laptop sleeve to the back of the bag, opening up more space on the interior for your chargers, cords, camera, and other accessories. We also added a removable shoulder strap to this bag, giving you the option to wear it as a messenger style bag or to use it as a classic briefcase style bag. Other features include buckle clip closures for easy access, large pocket on front of bag for quick access, zipper on top of bag for better security of laptop and other items, side sleeve compartment, side pocket with buckle strap and magnetic closure, phone, power bank, and pen pocket on the back wall of the bag, large exterior zippered pocket on the back of the bag. With your pledge, you can choose from the Denali leather gear pouch, the Kenai minimalist wallet, or the Sitka leather messenger. There is also another option for the ultimate everyday carry reward, which includes all three. With your help, we can have the funds to purchase a bulk order of leather, as well as the hardware needed to make these bags. Please pledge below and show your support for this project. Thank you so much for your time.
We started this journey 2 years ago, and we were on a mission to bring families closer together, while making your living space a smarter one. Because as social beings, the dining table holds more than just the food that nourishes our bodies. It's the magnet drawing us closer together, feeding the connections that helps us discover our truest selves. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, indoors or out, the most important conversations of our lives happen around the table. It gives us pause in the world that's speeding up around us. It reminds us that when hits, likes, and comments fade away, we're in the presence of something more important. We are Transformer Table, and we believe that the future of your living space lives right here. Hi Kickstarter, we're back. 2 years ago, you backed our very first project, the Transformer Table. A year later, you enabled us to create the very first Transformer Bench. We need your help in introducing the next generation of Transformer Table products. This is our most ambitious project yet, introducing 4 new hardwood collections: Dark American Walnut, Natural Acacia, Birch Gray, and the black oak. These are the best products we've ever made, and we think you're gonna love them.
Modern housing is becoming smaller, and we find ourselves having to sacrifice due to the lack of space. However, we think that instead of sacrificing our comfort, we should find ways to use our space in a more efficient way. This is why we decided to create a product that solves the issue of space. There's just so few products that truly address this problem. So we created a new category of smart furniture that brings the versatility and the space saving to the next level. From 18 inches to 10 feet, the Transformer table is a multifunctional and space-saving dream come true for all office and dining spaces. Its 6 different sizes provide flexibility and is perfect for any occasion, sitting from 2 to 12 people. Whether you live in a small apartment and you like to have friends and family over for a dinner party or for a poker night, or maybe you work in an office space and sometimes you just need more table space, Transformer table is really the only table you'll ever need. Inviting family and friends over just got easier.
These are by far the sturdiest and most robust dining table we've ever made. Built and designed with top-of-the-line hardwood and materials, the new generation of Transformer table are built to last a lifetime. The extra 1.5-inch panel borders also add to the modern design of the Generation 2.0, while adding overall stability of the table when fully extended. But the magic of this table lies in its innovative mechanism, turning your console table into a full dining experience. The tiny ball bearings make the rail seamlessly glide to extend from underneath the table. A single person can easily open the table with literally no effort. Its modern and sleek design is the perfect addition to any household, making it the centerpiece of your living space. Everything we learned from creating the first Transformer table has gone into making these the best ones yet.
We're on a mission to get you to eat together again, and there's no better time than now. Today, drop your phones, close your computers, and let's eat together with Transformer table.